Dr. Mahalati, Marisveta Mahalati, Secretary of Rajgir Buddha Vihar Society, India.
Nam-myo Respected Venerable Yoshida Shonin Sama, respected monks and nuns and disciples of Nipponzan Myohoji. Many a great men have spoken over the ages and mesmerized the world with their wisdom. But spectacular as they might have seemed at a certain point in time, history judged them as a mere footnote in the grand scheme of things. However, the profundity of Most Venerable Nichidatsu Fuji Guruji's wisdom has left indelible imprints on the sands of time, which will continue to inspire the generations to come as a lodestar. He was a true follower of Buddhist ideals, on which path if one can walk, it can help initiate a peaceful coexistence without creating any hindrance to none at all. Even in my childhood memories, the most outstanding name with which my home reverberated was that of Fuji Guruji. The reverence with which his name was mentioned by his ardent follower and disciple, my father Upendra Maharati, created an image of demigod on my young mind. Gradually, I began to learn about his mission of building stupas and temples all around the globe as a symbol of world peace, non-violence, love, compassion, universal brotherhood, and social understanding. I feel very blessed that I am associated with the holy land of Rajgir in India, which has been a heterodoxy of religion and has seen the growth of great philosophies preached by renowned sages. Lord Buddha preached here Saddharma Pundarik Sutra Hokekyo, and it has also been the place of the second turning of wheel of Dharma by Lord Buddha. Fuji Guruji built the Rajgir Vishwashanti Stupa as a mark of tribute to this epochal event. Guruji at the inaugural ceremony of Rajgir Shanti Stupa on 25th October 1969 said, and I quote, "The emergence of the stupa at Rajgir is a monument to the birth of a nation of peace, the Republic of India." He further stated, "The stupa at the peak of Ratnagiri Hill, Rajgir, is a token offering of Japanese Buddhists, a requital of gratitude towards the infinite blessings and guidance by Buddhism's preceptor, the world-honored one, Shakyamuni Buddha, in building a Japanese nation of progress, peace, and culture over the past 300 years." Unquote. Even to this day, Rajgir Peace Pagoda continues to inspire scores of visitors. Our life is like a breath of air in this universe. We are like a grain of sand in the ocean of universe. Yet everybody has multiple versions of themselves. In a world that exceeds us, mankind must rediscover its moral roots. Sages and great men like Fuji Guruji, through the ages, have taught us this simple truth. The monks and nuns of Nipponzan Myohoji have stood steadfast to the ideals and vision which Fuji Guruji had on social, religious, and ethical issues. Not a day passes when you don't hear the celestial drums and chanting of Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. Its divinity even stirred Mahatma Gandhi, and he included the chant in his prayers. It was the firm belief of Saint Nichiren and Fuji Guruji that this mantra will bring salvation to humanity and create a pure land, as it is the essence of all the teachings of Lord Buddha. I pay my respectful homage to the holy memory of Fuji Guruji. Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo.